Okay, so this last step for part B is to make a loft, is what they do on here. There are other ways to do this, but this would be one way to definitely try it out. So I'm going to come over here and I am going to remove this loft. Okay, but I kept the two sketches. So you need two sketches as well, and they need to be at least on parallel. They need to be on parallel planes for the most part. So what we have here is sketch 7, and here we have sketch 8. Okay, so if I were to click on Loft Boss Base, right, the first thing I want to click on, I can click on this sketch here, right? Now this sketch here, when I click on it, you want to click on these arrows to select the group. Okay, so what it's going to do is you're going to click this, 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 and this to make your sketch, and it's going to call it a closed loop. Now, if you look at these green vertices, you need to get those on the correct. You should just be able to drag that over there. So what the loft's going to do is it's going to transition from this shape to this shape. So it's going to bring a slight curve there at the end, which is really hard to match up otherwise. Okay, but a loft could be the best way to do this. Click OK, and then you'll see this kind of be a closed loop here. My hole's missing because I need to change this to the bottom, and then my hole comes back. Good luck.